Artificial intelligence. Just those two words spark images of futuristic robots, talking computers, and a world transformed by technology. But the journey of AI didn't start in a lab with blinking lights. It began in the imagination, long before computers even existed. Way back in ancient times, people dreamed up stories of mechanical beings and clever automatons. These early myths were humanity's first attempt to imagine intelligence beyond ourselves. But it wasn't until the early 20th century, with the rise of mathematics and the first computing machines, that AI started to take shape as a real scientific idea. One of the big names here was Alan Turing. He asked a simple but profound question: can machines think? In 1950, he proposed the Turing test, a way to check if a machine could act indistinguishably from a human. This idea set the stage for everything that followed. Fast forward to 1956, the Dartmouth Conference in the US. That's where the term artificial intelligence was officially born. Early researchers were ambitious. They thought smart machines were just around the corner. AI programs could solve math problems, play chess, and even prove logic puzzles. But they couldn't handle the real world. The tech just wasn't there yet. By the 1970s and 80s, reality hit hard. Progress slowed, computers struggled, and funding dried up. These were the infamous AI winters. Still, there were bright spots: expert systems, programs that used rules to mimic human decisions, managed to help out in medicine and engineering. But they couldn't learn or adapt. Not yet. Then came the breakthrough machine learning. In the 1990s and 2000s, instead of hand-coding every rule, researchers started training machines with data, lots of it. Suddenly, computers could learn to recognize patterns and get better over time. When IBM's Deep Blue beat chess champion Garry Kasparov, the whole world took notice. But the real explosion came in the 2010s with deep learning. Inspired by the human brain, these artificial neural networks could tackle insanely complex problems, like recognizing faces, translating languages, and powering virtual assistants. Smartphones, smart cars, smart everything. AI became part of daily life almost overnight. Today, AI is everywhere. It helps doctors spot diseases, drives cars, recommends movies, even writes music and creates art. But with all this power comes big questions. Is AI fair? Is it safe? How do we use it responsibly? Looking ahead, the future of AI is both exciting and challenging. It could help solve some of our biggest problems, like climate change, healthcare, and access to education. But it's up to us to guide it in the right direction. So, the story of AI isn't just about machines. It's about us, our creativity, our values, and our hopes for the future. Understanding where AI came from helps us decide where it's going next. And that's a story still being written,